Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a massive problem. I'm talking about the silent, automated drains quietly siphoning money out of your bank account every single month. It's what we call the subscription black hole. $182,000. Yeah, you heard that right. That is the shocking amount the average household forfeits in lost investment potential, literally all because of subscriptions. It's absolutely devastating. Now, you might be sitting there thinking you've got a super tight grip on your budget, but how does a single number get that incredibly massive? Well, we're gonna break down the 3 subscription traps keeping you broke, and then give you the exact 3-step fix to stop the bleeding once and for all. Let's get right into trap 1, the perception gap. I want you to really think about it for a second. Try to guess your own monthly spend right now. It is incredibly easy for these small $5 or $10 charges to fly completely under the radar as you go about your busy life. You sign up for a music app here, maybe a fitness tracker there. So how much do you actually think you spend on subscriptions every single month? The truth might genuinely terrify you. The reality check here is just staggering. According to a massive survey commissioned by C+R Research, consumers estimate their monthly spend to be about $86. And honestly, they feel pretty confident in that number. But when they actually sat down, looked at the hard data, and itemized their expenses, the real number was $219. That is a massive perception gap. You think you're spending a little, but you're actually spending a lot. Where's that extra money even going? And the bleeding doesn't stop there. Americans lost an average of $1,000 to financial errors just last year. That is a painful amount of hard-earned cash. This largely comes down to forgotten renewals, completely unused memberships, and ridiculous late fees. Most people literally never even notice the money leaving their checking accounts until it's far too late. Do you see how dangerous this complete lack of awareness really is? Which brings us to trap 2, the Autopay Illusion. A staggering 86% of subscribers are currently on autopay. I mean, that's almost everyone. And it makes sense, right? We crave convenience in our busy lives. But because of this automated set-it-and-forget-it setup, 42% of people admit they completely forget they're still being charged for services they don't even use anymore. You sign up for a free trial, enter your credit card, and never think about it again. Are you currently paying for a service you haven't opened since last year? So, are these companies actively banking on your forgetfulness to make a profit? It's a highly valid question to ask. We all want to believe that corporations just want to offer a great service. But the reality of automated renewals tells a much darker story about consumer habits and corporate profits. The entire system is literally designed to minimize friction and keep you paying. Are you being exploited by the convenience of automated billing? The data completely proves it. Researchers at the National Bureau of Economic Research studied this exact phenomenon across multiple industries. And what they found is crazy. Customer inattention artificially inflates corporate revenues by anywhere from 14% to an insane 200%. The ultimate proof happens when a customer's credit card expires and gets replaced. The automatic renewal breaks. The customer is finally forced to make an active choice, and cancellations instantly spike. Does it really take an expired credit card to finally cancel a service you don't even want? Let's move on to trap 3, the lost fortune. Here is the absolute hard truth. The typical US household is spending $4,200 every single year on subscriptions. Just pause and think about that number for a second. That covers streaming platforms, mobile apps, gym memberships, cloud storage, and those random monthly subscription boxes. That is about $350 silently leaving your account every single month. It completely drains your cash flow. Are you really going to let this quietly continue? Seriously, what happens if you stop paying for content and start paying yourself? Imagine rerouting that massive cash flow away from streaming platforms and directly into your own future. That money could be building your retirement, paying off debt, or funding an amazing dream vacation. Instead, it's just padding the pockets of major tech companies. Have you ever actually calculated the true long-term cost of your binge watching? Let's break down the math here. If that $4,200 was invested instead and grew at a totally average 8% per year, it becomes over $60,800 in just 10 years. It compounds rapidly over decades. The longer you wait, the more you lose. That is exactly how we reach that massive $182,000 in lost investment potential we talked about at the very beginning. Are you really willing to trade a literal fortune for a few extra apps? This right here is the true definition of the lost fortune. You aren't just paying for content, you're paying for a fortune you will never own. Every unused app or extra streaming service is quietly, but literally, stealing from your future wealth. Once it's gone, the money is gone forever. Is that truly fair to your future self?
Okay, so how do we solve this? Let's get into the 3-step fix to stop the bleeding.
You need total financial discipline, and it's simpler than you think. Step 1, audit every single subscription you have every 90 days. Step 2, cancel absolutely anything you aren't using. Be ruthless. Step 3, move the difference to a savings or investment account on that exact same day. It's a strict, highly actionable protocol to stop the bleeding and reclaim your hard-earned money today. Don't wait around for the perfect time. Will you actually commit to doing this? So will you take 10 minutes right now to rescue your financial future? Seriously, don't wait until the end of the day. Don't tell yourself you'll get to it this weekend. Open your banking app and take immediate action before you get distracted by another notification. Your future self is practically begging you to be responsible. Are you ready to finally take back your money?
Let's wrap this explainer up by forcefully repeating our golden rule. Audit your subscriptions every 90 days. Cancel what you don't use and invest the difference. It is really that simple. Don't let the subscription black hole consume your future. Take control today. Thanks so much for watching and start canceling right now.